Hey, what's up everybody? Today is a sad day. We're gonna retire the big old Smokey and the little old Smokey. As you can see, the big one's had its better days. Getting a little too much draft. Rebuilt the legs probably 4 times over its lifetime. Replaced a couple of handles. But it's been a good one. If you spend any time in Houston, you probably know the old Smokey. They're made right here. Been around forever. Probably bought my first one in, I don't know, probably 86, 87. Now the little one, if you see the top to this on I-45 headed south to Galveston, let me know it's still good shape. Anyway, we're gonna retire them today. I'll show you what I got. All right, here's what we got. We went with the 18-inch old Smokey. It's the medium size. You can see it's right in the middle of those two sizes. And this is not a paid endorsement. Picked it up straight from Wally World. But if you're not familiar with those Smokies, they got the vent on top, vent control on bottom. It's all good heavy gauge sheet metal. Got the standard grill. The large ones, I know you can get the flip down grills so you can add more wood chunks. Got your ash pan catcher or your charcoal. Some good sturdy grills. Used them all my life, all my cooking life. I've never been on the Weber bandwagon for their charcoal grills. It's always been growing up our grills around here, so let you see what it'll do. We're gonna break in the new old Smokey today with some hamburgers for Father's Day, and here's what we're working with. I'm gonna try out these prime HEB prime beef burgers, cowboy bacon, jalapeno. See how they taste. Had never tried them before, and then we're gonna make them my own. I'm gonna try a little bit of Uncle Steves Shake. I was down at Buc-ee's the other day and picked me up some. Well, actually, this is a SpiceyR. I'm gonna give it a try in a hamburger, see how it tastes. Papa Texas says it's good, and I've seen some other cooks saying how good they are, so we're gonna give it a try. All right, I already gave a finger taste on this, and it's pretty salty, a little bit spicy, so I'm not going to do my usual salt and black pepper. So we're just going to put a little Worcestershire sauce in it. And put on some Uncle Steves SpiceyR. All right, I got my cameraman, grandson Gavin out here helping me out filming, so we're gonna hope for the best. Time to throw the burgers on. We got the cowboy burgers from HEB, and we got some Uncle Steves Shake in here on the other ones I made up. Alright, the burgers are done. We got a nice smoke coming off the old Smokey. Look pretty good. Still got good fire, so we're gonna throw on some chicken now. Alright, there's the HEB cowboy burgers, jalapeno, bacon, cilantro, There's ones I made up with the Uncle Steves Shake, the SpiceyR. We're gonna give that a taste. We just finished the first cookout on the new old Smokey I bought, so we're gonna give it a taste, see what it. Old Smokey, I knew it would cook good because I've had them for 30 plus years, but we're gonna taste this Uncle Steves Shake and a little bit of hamburger. Oh yeah, it tastes really good. And beef, hamburger meat. Not really getting too much of a spice out of it. Maybe after the end of it, after you swallow in the back of your throat a little bit, but not spicy in your mouth like some are. But I'd say, yeah, that's a winner on hamburgers, so we'll be using that one again. Has a real good all-around flavor. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed seeing me get to break open a brand new grill. I guess we'll see y'all down the road.